Hey guys, welcome back to your ultimate remote job channel. So on this video, I'm going to be sharing this US company. It's an agency that recruits talent for companies. This company outsources remote workers for US based companies. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe if you're just joining me for the first time on this channel. So if you're looking for a remote job, you want to check them out. They have about 122 open positions now. Accountant, B2B graphic designer, customer sales representative, customer service and dispatch coordinator, growth marketing manager, performance marketing manager, sales development representative, sales development representative, sales development representative. They have multiple positions for this role. Sales manager, sales support coordinator, search engine optimization, SEO specialist, senior accountant. So they have about 122 positions open for you right now. So you just want to go and check it out, see if they're hiring from your location. So any job you see here, you will see the locations attached to it. Like this customer sales representative, they're hiring from Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, Costa Rica, Mexico, and they're 100% remote. Growth marketing manager, Costa Rica, Mexico, senior accountant, Pakistan, Philippines, remote. They also have senior accountant, Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, Costa Rica, Mexico, Pakistan, Philippines, South Africa. And if you check this one, senior customer service lead and trainer. They are hiring from Brazil, Colombia, Costa Rica, Kenya, Mexico, Pakistan, South Africa, and they are remote. So you can open it and check if they are hiring from your location. This one is hiring from Argentina, Colombia, Costa Rica, Kenya, Mexico, Pakistan, South Africa. Okay, so let's open this one. Admin assistant, and the hiring from Pakistan is a full-time remote. Working hours is going to be based on US business hours. The hiring detail-oriented admin executive assistant to support client onboarding and internal coordinator within a compliance-driven IT asset disposition. This is a precision critical role where accuracy, documentation, discipline, and proactive follow-through directly protect operational quality and compliance standards. What you will own, you manage scheduling, coordination, and administrative workflows, supporting internal teams and client-facing activities, facilitate clear communication between leadership, clients, and internal stakeholders, anticipate administrative needs to protect leadership bandwidth and operational flow. For documentation and compliance support, you will maintain accurate, organized, and audit-ready documentation across systems and records. Operational tracking and quality control, you will track client requests, operational updates, and internal process changes. Proactively identify inconsistencies in data, schedules, and documentation. You will verify names, dates, numbers, and records to prevent downstream operational or financial risk. For systems and tools management, you will work across multiple systems, including Google Workspace, Slack, and CRM platforms, maintaining structured documentation and organized records to ensure long-term clarity and accessibility. You must have 3+ years of experience in administrative assistant, executive assistant, or virtual assistant roles, proven track record of delivering precise, accurate work with strong follow-through, exceptional attention to detail, and strong working memory, demonstrated ability to work independently and solve problems with limited guidance, ability to detect inconsistencies before they escalate with operational issues, strong understanding of how administrative errors impact financial, operational, or compliance outcome, strong computer literacy with experience using Google Workspace, Slack, and CRM systems, excellent written and verbal communication skills in English, strong organizational documentation and record keeping abilities, high level of professionalism and confidentiality. For your core competencies, you need to be proactive and a critical thinker with strong problem solving ability, highly organized with a disciplined approach to accuracy and detail, clear and confident communicator in remote environments, independent worker who collaborates effectively within a distributed team, adaptable and capable of managing varied administrative responsibilities. Key metrics for success: you will maintain accurate audits, ready documentation of all times, ensure timely completion of all administrative workflows, coordination tasks. For the interview, they'll give you an initial screening call and admin scenario exercise, final interview, offer, and onboarding. So if you want, you can apply for this one and fill the application form like this. So feel free. This one is virtual assistant and they're hiring from Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, Costa Rica, and other countries. So you open it as well. You're going to work based on US business hours. That's where their client is. The client they are recruiting you for, that's where they are based. So you're going to work based on US work hours. Check out if you're fit for this job, if you have the required skills, if you have the required experience, and check out if you can do the job. Check the key metrics for success, the interview process, initial phone screen, video interview with Avago recruiter, practical tasks example, e.g. example, manage a mock inbox / calendar or compile a short research summary, client interview with hiring manager, executive, offer and background verification. So you can check this out, okay? Inbox and calendar management, go and do that if you want to apply for this job because they will give you the practical. Inbox and calendar management is not that hard unless you don't have experience in virtual assistant position. So that's it. Go there and find a job for yourself. For different countries, you can scroll through and see if they're hiring from your country. Because the jobs they have here is quite a lot, about 122. I can't go through all of them and check if all the countries are here. This company outsources remote workers for US-based companies. So if you're interested, check them out and apply. Thanks so much for watching. Please kindly like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel. This is my new channel. If you're coming from Learn with D channel, subscribe to my only remote channel. This is going to be just remote jobs, remote companies, US companies hiring. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.